Unlock your ultimate shopping freedom. Ever wished you could grab that must-have item in-store now and pay for it later? Well, you absolutely can with Klarna in the UK. First things first, you'll need the Klarna app. Download it from your app store. It's free. Once installed, open it up and sign in or create an account. If you're new to Klarna, this is your gateway to flexible payments. Now imagine you're in a store. Eyes on that perfect purchase before you head to the till. Open your Klarna app, look for the Pay in Store or a similar section, usually found within the Shopping tab. Here's the magic: you'll generate a unique digital card. This isn't a physical card you carry. It's a temporary, digital one created just for your in-store purchase. Some retailers might offer a QR code instead. Why euro? It works just the same. When you get to the checkout, let the cashier know you'd like to pay with Klarna. They'll guide you through the process. Simply present your phone with the digital card or QR code displayed. The terminal will read it, just like any other contactless payment. And voila! Your purchase is complete. You'll usually have the option to split your payment into interest-free installments, making budgeting a breeze. You can manage all your payments easily within the Klarna app. So next time you're out and about in the UK, remember Klarna is your secret weapon for buying now and paying later. Right there in your favorite stores. Happy, stress-free shopping awaits.